In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make seamless background in Constant Contact. To begin, open your email campaign in the editor. This is where you will make all of your design changes, and it gives you a live view of how your email is coming together. Before you adjust the background, it is helpful to have your pattern or background image ready so the process moves smoothly. Once your campaign is open, go to the Design tab in the left-hand sidebar. This area contains the main appearance settings for your email. It is where you can control visual elements like colors, spacing, and background styling. If you are trying to create a seamless look, this is the section you will use. Inside the design settings, choose either outer background or inner background. The option you pick depends on where you want the seamless pattern to appear. The outer background affects the area around the main content of the email, while the inner background applies to the content area itself. If you want the pattern to frame the email, use the outer setting. If you want it behind the main content, use the inner setting. After selecting the background area you want to edit, click Choose Image to upload your pattern or image. Try to use a clean, repeating design for the best result. Smaller patterns often work especially well because they repeat more naturally and load efficiently. A background that is too busy can distract from the message of the email, so keep readability in mind as you make your selection. Once the image has been uploaded, look for the image display setting and change it to Tile. This is the key step that makes the background repeat seamlessly across the selected area. Instead of stretching the image or showing it only once, the Tile setting repeats the pattern horizontally and vertically. That repeated display creates the continuous background effect. When that is done, click Preview to verify the look. This gives you a chance to check that the pattern repeats evenly and that the overall design still looks polished. Pay attention to whether the background complements your content and does not interfere with text or buttons. If needed, you can go back and try a different image or adjust which background area you applied it to. That covers everything you need to know.